Is matter around us pure? Everything what is present all around us is a matter, and matter can be a pure substance or an impure substance. So in this video we will go through the study of matter. Is matter around us pure? Everything present around us is a mixture, so it is not a pure form of a substance. If we talk about matter, matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. Matter can be categorized further as substance and mixtures. Mixtures are impure substances. Substances can be further categorized as elements and compounds. Elements are pure substances, whereas compounds are impure. Elements can be further classified as metals, non-metals, and metallites. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are poor conductor. Where are metallites? They have some properties of metals and some of non-metals. Therefore, they are known as metallites. So in this video, we will go through the further study about mixtures. What is a mixture? Is it a pure or impure substance? A number of things which are present all over us in our environment are mixtures, and these are of different types. So in this video, first we will go through the study of mixtures. In chemistry, a mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. A mixture is the physical combination of two or more substances in which the identities are retained and are mixed in the form of solutions, suspensions, and colloids. Here, sugar solution, this is an example of mixture, and oil and water, it is also an example of mixture. But here on dissolving sugar in water, we cannot see it, it gets disappeared. So it is a homogeneous mixture. But the oil doesn't get dissolved in water, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. We will go for some more examples. Examples of mixtures. Mixtures are everywhere. The definition of a mixture is a combination of different things that are not chemically bonded. These are physically bonded. Means on a string sugar in water, it will get mixed in it. For example, when we bake a cake, it's a result of mixture of eggs, flour, sugar, and other ingredients. Mixtures can also be much simpler than that. So here is an example, the purple balls and the sky blue color balls, when these two are mixed physically, not chemically. So here this is a mixture. So here are some more examples of mixtures like oil and water, lemon juice and tea, honey and tea, milk and chocolate, coffee and cream, cream and sugar, flour and butter, cereal and milk, oatmeal and raisins, flour and milk, orange juice. So these are the various examples of mixtures. So if we talk about the food mixtures are often heterogeneous mixtures. So what is a heterogeneous mixture? A heterogeneous mixture is such that the components can be separated from one another and they are combined physically. So here are some other common mixtures. Beyond the things we eat, our environments are full of other mixtures. Anytime you light a scented candle, you are introducing aromas into the air, the smell, creating a new mixture in the environment. Here are a few more examples: smoke and fog, dirt and water, sand, water and gravels, water and salt. So these all are heterogeneous mixtures. Means the components can be separated from one another. As for example, by the process of crystallization, the salt can be separated from seawater. Next is homogeneous mixture. The opposite of heterogeneous mixtures is homogeneous mixture. These are mixtures that are uniform throughout their composition. An example of homogeneous mixture would be something like lemonade, because after making a lemonade, you cannot separate lemons, water, or the sugar or other ingredients which you have added in that. Once mixed, you can't easily separate the lemon juice from the water. It's uniformly mixed. Another example is the air we breathe. It's a homogeneous mixture of oxygen, nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases so present in the atmosphere. So we came to know about two types of mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In this video we came to know about mixture, what is a mixture and how it gets combined. And the types of mixtures. There are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. And mixtures can be mixed in the form of solutions, suspensions and colloids. In our next video we will go through the study of types of mixtures and solutions, suspensions and colloids. Thank you.